Hi guys, I hope people are great and today because actually my native look and this time because actually I just came here at home right now because actually I had thinking I had been thinking since morning because actually once again I will make video on today so very excited actually uh, this is my blog, the daily blogs, because actually I'm learning and because actually I explore my home tour. So because I will show you everything and put here inside. So guys, today is a very excited because actually my you understand? I know that this is my LEDs. The actually the put on is all sent today so because actually here my fridge there the all decorations, this is my tables, the where then I study there the actually so very happy right now so because I wanna show you and so because actually let's go outdoor so I will explore and there this is burning there so my daughter here's the burning, the all hoodens, the plastic, and something the boxes too. So because actually today is a very hot and right now, so because actually I'm learning English and this time because so guys my throat is very upset in a show because actually I took medicines because actually this time so uh, very cold today so because there is the burning so actually I would like to go there and the warm my hand my body so temperature and today's temperature I think approximately around 15 13 something actually it has not confirmed that because the vigilance but then this is my home tools so here the a lot things this is my kitchen, this is my luxury kitchens there all these things and ladders knife and here the all is these the all spices pickles and this is the cumin seed and fenugreeks and something the clarified butter and normal white butter and refined and mustard oil so because actually a lot things here there are the a lot things put here in this my kitchen, this is my kitchen so once again I show you and everything here so because actually today so because actually I purchased I purchased the guhava. This is my wow. This is my favorite guhava. So already I purchased from market and 30 rupees per kg. So actually I took 3 kg today because we will eat today and tonight. So because actually my home tour and you can see guys this is my home tour. So I think rotate it will be the rotate the alls around I think here this is my this is my table here so all things my cloth and there is actually put all the fabrics there and there's the bags so everyone so that this is my LED here so this is my temple so very excited so so guys you are very interested to learn English and let's get started and most important for you actually this is the very easy to learn English so I want to recommend to you that and you are very interested English. Hi ladies and hi everyone, so welcome back to my YouTube channel Speak English with Anil. So today is a very excited so actually I have explores and all home tour today so because as well I'm practice English these days so now the outdoor is winter season is very cold it started very highly so because please take care guys otherwise you you are sick, and because the case actually I just came here right now, so because actually I'm learning English and practice. So because guys, you are very very interested to learn English, and you can speak English whatever you have. So whenever I start my English journey, so it was very horrible. It was the very horrible in my life, and a lot of people loving me, and someone told me because you will not speak English properly, but actually I didn't listen anyone, because I have determined, I promise myself, and one day I will speak, and I will speak and improve my communication skill. But actually I didn't listen anyone that actually I have collected the fumbles, all vocabularies, and started English journey, because I don't care, because actually I don't care anyone. So people's what do they say about me? Actually, my English is not good, but even then, no problem, because actually I'm trying, and this time. So I have determined myself, because I will speak and practice. So guys, this channel is the very important, guys. So this is for you, only for beginner, and not is the intermediate, because actually I have no more experience for speak English. But even then I have experience, I will share to my beginner, my learners, who people just started to learn English, and this is for them. So because you can they speak and properly, and you can the practice and everyday morning, and actually do one things, and you will have to do. And please get up early in the morning around 6 a.m. Then I go fresh, then I come back, the brush teeth, and then come back at home right now. So wearing put on the cloth, and so after that you go to alone place, and you can then practice whatever you have, vocabularies, grammar. Actually don't things over. So actually which is I don't know, so how to speak English, whatever you have the experience. Actually you will have to only expose your mouth, your heart. I know that you have a lots option, a lots environment, but while he speaking English suddenly stuck. This is the main reason, guys. Actually you will not speak still to them. Actually this time, because actually I'm practice every day. Actually I'm proving, because actually I don't have more any environment, and no as well no more time, because actually unfortunately I get chance, I will make video. So I hope that you will understand, guys. Please make sure watch my video till end, and please comment below how is my this speech, my English. And you haven't subscribed my channel, please keep it subscribe my channel, so that you will get notifications soon. Bye guys, good evening and good night. Bye, I love you so much, guys. My beginner, my learner, I am also beginner. Thank you, bye bye.